Welcome to part 2 of Road to Sub 20. Here we are going to be talking about Keyhole method and how it can get you sub-minute. So, Keyhole method. You're going to solve your cross just like normal. And then, instead of solving the corner and then solving the edge, you solve the edge first. So what you're going to do to solve the edge is, it doesn't matter whether it's on this side or this side. You're going to move it down so it's correct. Down again so it's right here. Undo that and then undo that. So the algorithm, if you know cube notation, is going to be F, R prime, F prime, R. And that should have put the edge in, but now the next step is putting the corner in without messing up the edge. The key to Keyhole is, it's this slot that this needs to go to. If I move the slot that my corner needs to go into over here, and then I put the corner in, it's still in the correct slot. So if I move it back, it's correct. This may be very complicated for many to understand. But think about it like this. To solve this edge, this piece needs to go where that corner is. But to not mess up this, if I move this corner, and then I put this in place of that corner, and then I move it back, it solves it. So the algorithm for this would go either to the left or to the right, it does not matter. I'm going to go to the right. D, move it above, then R, U, R prime, U prime, until it's solved. So the only thing that can go wrong with this method is, number one, you have all of your edges solved, all of your edges solved, except one. In this case, you cannot do Keyhole, because if I put, if I put the edge in, and I go to move to a slot to put the corner in, it messes up that slot. So you have to make sure that whenever you move the corner, the edge right there has to be scrambled. So here's an example. So I want to put this corner in this space. So if I move it over here, this is scrambled, so it's good. I can solve it normally. But if I move it over here, this edge is solved. So I don't want to use that. So the trick to Keyhole is, when you get to the last edge, you're going to have to solve it just like normal. There's no way to do a full Keyhole solve. But if you do it right, you should be able to shave off maybe possibly up to a minute of your time. Thank you for watching this edition of Road to Sub 20. In the next episode of Road to Sub 20, we're going to be going over a different form of Keyhole that can possibly get you to sub 30, or if you're averaging around 1 minute 30, down to 1 minute.